So you've seen a lot of people come through this program.
A lot.
What is it to you that separates the people that are successful from the people that fall out?
Well, you already said it. I mean, it really does come down to hard work. I mean, usually as a mentor, I can usually tell pretty quickly who's going to cruise through it and has that, that grit, that person that's willing to really dive in, work hard, make sacrifices. All the students who went through it, it takes a lot of dedication, a lot of consistency. Just a lot of focus. So really just showing up, as cliche as that may sound, just ready to come in and make sacrifices.
What do you think is different in the people that have that grit going through and the people that maybe need to build that as they go through? What do you,
That's good.
You think it's life experiences? Do you think, I don't know. What do you think it is?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think for some people's life experience, some people just have maybe more things going on. I know for me, where my grit came from when I came to the course, as I said, I just moved to Texas and I didn't have any backup plan. So I was all in. So I worked, 10 hours a day, every day on Colaberry until I finished. So, but to develop that grit, I think part of it is life experience. Part of it is just habit, getting into a good routine. If you're not like disciplined and sitting down every day and doing what you need to do, and you're easily distracted and you're not kind of honing in that discipline, it's a little bit hard to find that groove and work that grit that you need.
Yeah, I agree. And I've been trying to crack that case for years now. But yeah, it's definitely we can definitely see the people pretty early on that are gonna fly through it, right? And
Yeah, you
so
can pick them up.
they have, what are some of those characteristics they have?
Like I said, the ones that are most engaged, the ones that the students that reach out to me with questions, who constantly want to learn, they show up for all the classes. They really try to understand everything. And I do think for some people it's all in or not, like that grit. Like for me, like I said, I didn't have a backup plan, and I know a lot of students who have come up and they work really good jobs, so they got a good salary, so they're not quite as motivated to get through the class. Where some other students who don't have that benefit and who have the back kind of against the ropes, those are the students that seem to really get pushed forward really quickly because they got no backup plan. So
Yeah, I'd agree with that. It's always harder to get people to work once they're already making money. Majority of people that start making money, they're like, oh yeah, I'm good. They kind of sit back, easy street. Very rarely do I find people that have made money and they continue to work extra hard. Like that really separates people. I want to open it up for questions. Anybody have any questions? You have a mentor, instructor's point of view, but also someone who has been a student in this program as well.
Hi, Kobe.
Hey,
Kobe
Nagel.
was my mentor. Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I thought I'm the oldest one in this group. I thought I'm the dinosaur.
Oh, I might be the one now. I'm been here for a while. Oh.
Okay,
Good to see you. Yeah, good to see you.
Nagam is up next.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody have any questions they want to ask Kobe? Pick his brain.